Good morning. What a refreshing start to the new week under clear blue skies. Those of us in the central parts of the country can expect the opposite of Sunday. Chilly morning temperatures will rise fast and highs will be about 7 degrees warmer this afternoon, leading to wide gaps between the lows and highs. Meanwhile, Jeju and the south coast will see winds picking up in the late afternoon, meaning sea conditions will also get rougher in the South Sea. But air quality will be decent nationwide throughout the day today. Now, highs in Seoul will be going up to 25 degrees Celsius, Gwangju topping out at 23 degrees, with more clouds than sunshine in the Jeolla-do Provinces. But UV rays will be very strong in the Gyeongsang-do Provinces and surrounding areas today. We will be seeing more clouds through the first half of the week. And frequent rain seems to be in the forecast on Jeju this week, but highs will remain above these seasonal norms. With that, here's a look at the weather conditions around the globe.